Discover Cancun's tropical birds and hidden cenotes on an unforgettable nature adventure. Start your day birdwatching with an expert guide, spotting exotic species in their natural habitat. Next, dive into crystal-clear cenotes. Swim, kayak, and refresh in serene natural pools. Explore 2 hidden cenotes off the beaten track, surrounded by lush jungle and vibrant wildlife. Connect with nature, witness colorful birds, and create memories that last a lifetime. Book your birdwatching Cancun tour today.